morning, students. So today we are going to learn the basic structure of HTML programming and the first program, that is block level heading tags. So here everyone knows what is the full form of HTML, that is Hypertext Markup Language. Now this language was developed by Tim Berners-Lee. So to start with the basic structure of HTML, it is divided into first two things. The first one is to write the program, we use the text editor, and second one, to see the output of the program, we use the browser, that is Internet Explorer. Now the notepad is used as a text editor where we write all the commands of HTML program. This program is saved with .html extension, and then this program's output we can able to see with the help of web browser. A program is nothing but the set of instructions. In HTML, all the commands, all the instructions are called as the tags. So now start with the notepad. So first, now I am opening the notepad application program. So here this is the notepad. To start with HTML program, the first tag is used as the doc type HTML. Now this tag is called as the declaration tag, which is used to define the declaration statement of HTML5. After that, the first tag in HTML programming is called as HTML, which ends with the /HTML. So HTML and /HTML, these are called as the container tags, as it has the opening tag as well as the closing tag. HTML program has two sections. The first section is called as the head section, which is closed with the container tag /head, and second section is the body section, which is closed with the tag /body. So both are the container tags, that is also called as the pair tag, where it has the opening as well as the closing tag. The first section head contains one more container tag, which is called as the title and the /title, which gives the title for your program. Now for example, suppose your program is the first program in HTML, so you can give the title as first program. Suppose you are writing the program for block level heading tags, so your title for the program will be block level heading tags. So as per the program, you can write the title for the program is, that is first program within title and /title. Body and /body, this is the main tag. So here all the other main tags are included, where within the body and /body you have to write the main statements. So this is called as the basic structure of your HTML program, where it starts with the exclamation mark doc type HTML, HTML, head, title, then close it with /title, /head, body, the main tags, /body and /HTML. Now just if I want to print hello, so I will write the hello word, and then within the body and /body. Students, here I have not used any other tag, just simply I have entered the text, that is hello. Now the next, after completing the program, you have to save the program. So now I am saving the program on the desktop. So here my program name is first program.html. So always here you have to give the extension .html, that is must. Otherwise your program will get saved with the extension .txt and it becomes your notepad file. We don't want any notepad file, as the output is displayed as it is what we have typed in the notepad. So always remember that we have to save the program with the .html, that is the file name first, then dot and HTML. Then after that, save as type, you have to select all files and then click on the save button. Once you click on the save button, here on this first title bar, you will see the first program notepad. That is, the name of this program is first program. After saving this, you have to minimize this notepad application program. On the desktop, we have got the file in the form of first program where the icon is of Google Chrome. Now how to run the program? So right click on this first program, then there is an option which is called as open with, and then open it with Internet Explorer. Students, always remember the output of the program we have to see with the Internet Explorer, which is called as the web browser. So web browser is used to display the or to view the web pages. So click on Internet Explorer. Now see here in the address bar, I have got the file name as firstprogram.html, and as I have not used any tags, just I have printed hello. So here the output has come as hello. Now if you save the program with .txt file, then this file will come as it is with all the tags. Here now just hello is displayed because we have saved the program with .html extension. So this is the basic level of programming to print just hello world. Now after this, we will see another program which is called as the first program, that is block level heading tags. Now in the block level heading tags, again you have to start with the new and start with the first tag, that is doc type HTML. Now what is block level heading tags? So to define the different headings in different font sizes, we use the block level heading tags. They are from H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 to H6. That means there are 6 levels of block level heading tags, out of which the first level, that is H1, is having the highest font size, and last level, that is H6 tag, is having the lowest font size. By default font size is 3. As per that, you can increase or decrease the font sizes by using the different levels of heading tags. H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. These are the block level heading tags where it has only one attribute which is called as align. Align has the 3 different properties, 3 different values, that is left, center and right. So let's see with the program. Start with the first HTML head. Then after that you will put title. So my title will be block level heading tags. As I said that you have to give the title as per your program, which program you are doing. Then after that start with the body tag. First I am giving as H1. This is highest font size. Close it with /H1. Then H2. This is second level font size. Close it with /H2. Then H3. This is third level font size /H3. Then H4. This is fourth level font size /H4. H5. This is fifth level font size /H5. H6. This is lowest level font size /H6. Okay, so these are all the 6 levels of heading tags. After that I am closing it with /body and then slash HTML. So this is the block level heading tags. Now certain interesting things I want to include. So I will use first attribute of body, that is BG color, which is used to give the background color, and second attribute which is called as text, only text, which is used to give the text color. So always the value is enclosed within the double quotation mark for the attribute. Body is your main tag, BG color is called as the attribute, and pink is called as the value. So you have to put the attribute equal to sign in double quotation the color name. Same, the text is the attribute and red is the value of that attribute. Then after that, as we have to print all these sentences on new lines, so I will put BR after each tag. BR tag is used to break the lines, that means automatically the next sentence will come on the new line. So this is the BR tag. For the last tag there is no need to give. Then save this program with the name block level heading tags .html. Save in all files and click on save. Now after this, again minimize this. You can see here block level heading tags. Right click on this, open with Internet Explorer. So as you open it with Internet Explorer, so you will get a break in all. If you see, this is the highest font size which we have given with the help of H1. This is with the H2, third level H3, fourth level H4, fifth level H5, and lowest level is H6. So like that, wherever you want in your website, suppose you want to define the title, then you can use the highest font size as H1. If you want to define the text according to the paragraphs, so as per your convenience, you can use the H2 to H6 tags. So this is called as the block level heading tags. As we can see the different levels of font sizes in this tag. Now after this, just close the output. Okay, so hope you have understood the